Hi, my name is Lydia, and my other teammates are Katie K and Michaela Zane. This year, 2020, our world's changed with a global pandemic. Our inspiration and motivation behind WhatsCookin was to create a virtual cookbook that will connect the art of cooking and spending time with loved ones in one space in the comfort of your home. WhatsCookin brings the fun back into your kitchen through video chatting and personalized recipe channels. Our collaborative cooking app connects you and your friends, giving you the ability to explore different cuisines, upload your own recipes, or make new meals together, regardless of distance. I'll go ahead and pass it along to my classmate Katie K, who will be going over user experience.
Thanks, Lydia. To use WhatsCookin, I have to either log in or sign up with the website or with Google. I can then pick public channels to join and click on them to browse the public recipes that other users have created. Pretty cool. I can also decide to upload my own recipe to the channel. And if I want an even more personalized experience, I can create my own private channels, like family recipes, for example, so that I can have a virtual cookbook between me and my family. I'll make sure to invite some people to that channel as well. If I click the live cooking link, I'm able to schedule an event with some of my peers. For example, Cooking with Lydia, something that I've done every week since the pandemic, and it's really helped keep me motivated. During our weekly chats, we get together, we cook, we're really excited, as you can see, and we just start sharing recipes. Sometimes we make recipes together, sometimes we make them individually. We always get a chance to collaborate on them at the end, if we wish, and upload them to our separate channels. You can always find these recipes under the My Recipe tab of your profile. This time we made a veggie burger with kale salad. And now I'm going to pass it to Michaela, who's going to talk about the tech stack.
Thanks, Katie. I'll talk about our tech stack. On the front end, we used React to create interactive UI components, Redux to centralize our state management, CSS and Bootstrap for styling. In our backend, we use Node.js and Express as our web application framework, as well as Postgres to store and establish relationships in our database. To create real-time communication between users, we used WebRTC and Socket.io. WebRTC gives us direct access to our users' audio and video for peer-to-peer communication inside of our web pages. Socket.io enables real-time bi-directional communication between our web clients and servers for persistent video streaming, event updates, and recipe collaboration. We also used Multer for image uploads, Moment.js for time conversions, and Google O-AUTH for user authentication. Lastly, we deployed our app using Heroku. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit our app at the link below. Thank you.